Greetings, folks. William Caleb back at you again with another video, and today we're going to discuss E1uLife and just how does E1uLife work, what it does, what's its purpose. As you can see on the main screen, this is the main sales page, the main information page for E1uLife, which you can simply go to at aiwebstrategies.com/start. This is where you would start at. And as you can see, it's an automation tool. It has pretty much everything you're going to need to have an online business online. And what I mean by that is this thing can build the websites, build the sales page funnels. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different templates you can use. There's appointment booking calendars. There's SMS texting automation series maker. There's a membership course maker. This isn't just refined to the make money online internet marketing niche. This is if you're a plumber, if you're a roofer, if you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, if you're a remote teacher, whatever your job, you can use the E1uLife software to automate all your business affairs and to create your website images and identity and brand online, and even do the marketing. It's even a full marketing tool because there's even email marketing, such as what you would find with Aweber and GetResponse and things of that nature, where you have automated email sequences that automatically go out whenever someone signs in and fills out any of your forms. Then they'll immediately start receiving messages of your choice. And we have a special community that's always helping everyone who comes in, everyone who has a question, 24/7 live support. All of this is involved with E1uLife. Now, we know anyone can start, build, and grow a business with E1uLife, but you got to have the tools, and the tools have got to be affordable. Now, you know there are some popular website funnel makers. So a certain one that has the word click in it, it's a famous funnel maker. Well, first of all, the search engine optimization for using that platform is rather non-existent. It's hard to rank any sites that you make using that platform because it's not as Google friendly on the coding side of it. That's a lot of techno babble. I know it sounds like that, but basically you're going to have a hard time ranking in Google using that. And plus, you have to connect to several other platforms just to make that thing work right. You have to make sure it's properly connected to your autoresponder, your SMS thing, your website designer, aside from using it alone as the funnel maker. I mean, there's so many pieces of the puzzle that have to come together. Yet with E1uLife, all of those pieces of the puzzle are automated right here in one place. And what I'm showing you on the screen is just how the basic sales page look. I just wanted you to have a look at everything over at aiwebstrategies.com/start. And why do I even have it under a domain such as AI Web Strategies? Well, because it is powered by AI technology, or should I say not really powered, it's augmented, supplemented, and assists you with AI power. As you'll see, once you're in the inside, you can easily use AI to help craft your emails, whatever posts you want. As you can see, we have a comprehensive social planner that schedules posts across your Instagram, your Facebook, your X Messenger, all of these platforms at once. You can send out content, have it loaded up for even a year's time, and it'll just automatically send out the content and post for you without you having to do anything once you set it up, of course. But all of this is in one place, all in one place, right here at E1uLife. That's aiwebstrategies.com/start. This is more, as you can see, about our AI-powered engagement specialists. When you can have a chatbot put on your site, and again, for any industry that you might be involved in, and as soon as people come to your page, or even if they come to one of your social media pages, this web chat, this AI-powered web chat will automatically start communicating and talking with your customers. It'll answer the questions about your business, about your offer. It'll tell them about any specials you might have going on. All of this is easily done with this unique all-in-one app. Everything you need right here at E1uLife. Now, as you can see at the top here, there's a login, there's a back office for our digital products platform. Those of you who may be familiar with the older platform of E1uLife, well, we had a full range of digital training products that's still available that you can learn from as well as resell for automatic, instant, 100% profits. That's right. And it's paid to you at the minute of the sale. But what we want to look into is the app where the all-in-one stuff is, right? So we would click that and it would take us right on the inside of your account where you'll see where the funnels is. You can create an unlimited amount of funnels. And as you can see currently on the screen, these are actually my E1uLife funnels for promoting the platform itself. But say if you were a dentist, you could build your dentist funnel, which has websites, web pages, sales materials, appointment booking calendars, and all of that would be right here. You can see on the side the calendars where your contact, all the different conversations. Let's see what happens if we go under conversations. You'll see there's going to be a place where you're going to see all conversations that you had, no matter what platform that the prospect or the potential customer is trying to reach you in. It'll be located there. What else I wanted to show you? I wanted to show you also, I mean, there's so much here and there's only so much time of the day, so I probably can't get to every single thing, but let's have a look at some of the website templates just in case you needed a new web page or you wanted to start from scratch or you needed some creative ideas. Simply click on this one thing that says websites. Look, it says create a new websites. You click on new websites. I mean, it's not really that difficult. It's all a matter of point and click. You start by giving it a name. But what we want to do, we're just going to go ahead and look at some of the templates here. Let's look at some of the templates. You can start from blank if you already know a little something. But even if you do, why go through the hassle when you can just choose from all these templates that you're about to see? As you can see, different templates. And over here on the left, you can see all of the different subjects. There's whole lot more. It's just going to go on and on and on with the choices that we have available for you as far as different types of websites, and any of this stuff can be changed. You just click on any template you want and you can immediately start changing the text. You can change the colors, you can switch out the words, and if you need some help with writing better copy, better words, when you're typing, a simple little AI engine is always going to be there, and you can simply use it and tell it to give you the best words for this or for that. This is really a great option here. And as you can see at the top here, this top menu, we even have WordPress that you can connect with right here. You can run your WordPress sites for those of you who better prefer using WordPress, but maybe need a little bit more speed and comfort. You could do it right here from E1uLife, your own client portal, which if you offer any type of services, even if it's physical outdoor services, this is where they can log in and check the progress of whatever work that you're doing, that the client is getting done from you. I mean, we have all kinds of different forms that you can create, surveys, polls, and of course the chat widget that we talked about earlier, media where you store all your pictures, videos, all kind of great stuff there. URL redirects. In other words, you can see my website address is aiwebstrategies.com/start. That's a redirect that redirects to the main E1uLife sales page. Whereas Something like AIwebstrategies.com/demo is a separate page where people can go and sign up for a quick demo of how the site works, how the chat builder works. It's pretty awesome and pretty efficient to use. This is E1uLife, and of course the membership area where you can create your own membership and course sites. Say you want to teach English to Chinese people, you can start your website that teaches English to Chinese people, and this is where they would log in at. You would set up their own special area where they would come, where their lessons would be. You can even make it to where they can't go on to the next lesson until they complete the current one. It's just really, really good. I know you're tired of hearing me use the word awesome, but I'm telling you, I just can't think of a better word for it at this time. This is really what you need to be investing in if you're serious about running an online business. You're going to need your own platform, and it's better to kind of have it all in one place so you don't have to worry about trying to connect things all across the board. Once again, everybody, the page you want to go to is you want to go to AIwebstrategies.com/start. Once again, that's AIwebstrategies.com/start. Now, another perk about using the E1uLife all-in-one percent commissions. And let's go ahead and check out what you get paid commissions on. Here's some of everything you get. Once again, I just wanted to see that again. Just some of the few tools in the all-in-one app. But let's go ahead and come down to the pricing. Let's go to I want it all, and let's see what we got here, because we want to know if this really is affordable, and if you do decide to participate in the affiliate side of it, what exactly could you possibly earn? Well, we have a special right now where it's what you see on the screen here. Now, so you would get 50% of this if you purchase this particular service. Now, let's take a look at your other options. You have the apprentice and you also have the professional. But the apprentice, you can see certain services are not within the apprentice. The fullest one is the hero, which is the one I showed you. Now, if you come in at the apprentice, you'll only be able to get like, they have it like set up, and I believe it was 25% commissions, and then the other one is like 37% commissions, but you want the 50% commissions. And you want to go ahead and come in now because that's an extremely good price. You see what the regular price is, what folks normally pay for an all-in-one tool. Remember, this is an all-in-one tool. This isn't just one piece of the puzzle. This is the whole puzzle already put together. You see what I'm saying here? Because beginning January 1st, these low prices will only be available on a 12-month commitment. So if you want to pay this, you have to pay it for 12 months in advance. Better come in right now with this hero package. Once again, this is William Caleb saying peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. That's AIwebstrategies.com/start.